cutting mat, more than just a surface. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English language and its nuances. Today, we're going to delve into the meaning and usage of the term cutting mat. Whether you're a language learner, a craft enthusiast, or just curious, this video is for you. Let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this common but often overlooked phrase. A cutting mat is a specialized surface used primarily in crafts and sewing. It's designed to protect your table or work surface from damage while cutting fabrics, paper, or other materials. These mats are usually made of a self-healing material, which means they don't get ruined by the cutting blades. The term is made up of two parts: cutting, which refers to the action of dividing or shaping something with a sharp tool, and mat, a piece of protective material. Together, they describe a tool essential in many crafting projects. In various contexts, a cutting mat can mean different things. For crafters and quilters, it's an indispensable tool. In an educational setting, it might be used in art classes. Understanding this term can give insights into the hobbies or professions of people who use it. This is a great example of how language can reflect specific aspects of culture and lifestyle. Pronunciation of cutting mat is straightforward, with emphasis typically placed on the first syllable of cutting. When using this term in a sentence, you might say, "I need a new cutting mat for my quilting project," or "Can you hand me the cutting mat?" It's often used in contexts related to sewing, crafting, or DIY projects. There are variations in size, material, and features of cutting mats. Some might have grid lines or measurements for precision. Related terms include rotary cutter, a tool often used with cutting mats, and self-healing mat, highlighting the mat's ability to withstand repeated cuts. Thank you for joining us in exploring the term cutting mat. We hope this video has been informative and adds to your understanding of English in everyday contexts, especially in the world of crafts and hobbies. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.